You're sending tons of emails, but people are not opening those emails. What is the reason? Do people don't like your subject line? Or maybe they don't like your content. But how can they know whether they like your content or not without even reading it? Mystery, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to increase your email open rates. We will demystify what are the reasons behind getting low open rates and how can you get higher open rates. So stay tuned. So here is how email marketing works. When you send tons of emails, your internet service providers, which is ISPs identify you as someone who is sending marketing mailers. And because Gmail has close to 70 to 75% market share, your emails land in Gmail's promotion tab. And you know as a user that we don't really frequently visit our promotions tab because it is supposed to have something to sell to us. And we more often than not only visit our inboxes, which is our primary inbox. So hence, when our mailers as a marketer land in promotions tab, we receive very low open rates. Now the question is, how can we improve our open rate by making our emailers land into the primary inbox? So there is a quick hack. This is how these inboxes work. So suppose you are sending an email to me for the first time, and when I respond to your email ID gets saved in my inbox contacts list. So next time when you're gonna mail me, the probability of you landing in my inbox increases. And this is not the case with marketing mailers, because marketing mailers are more like broadcast, where the company is sending emails to users and users are not responding to it. Users are just clicking on a call to action button or a link and drifting away from the mail to a different landing page. However, when a user responds to email, then the marketing company's email ID gets saved in the user's inbox, and the chances of reaching the user's primary inbox increases. So the hack is, if you are trying to increase your open rate, then you should try to receive a response from your user. So write emails in which you provoke response so that you can get higher open rates. That's all for this video. Stay tuned to my channel and please feel free to comment. If you have any questions, I make sure that I respond to all my comments.